Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ral, aka Loveglam, and if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate you dearly. Alright, so you guys saw me braid this hair, and if you did not see that video, I'm going to link it here. I'll basically show you guys how I did this rubber band method box braids all by myself. So I figured, why not see me take it down? It has been 2 months, actually 2 months and 2 days if I'm not mistaken. So it's time that it comes off. Basically what we're going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be taking it down. I'm going to be pre-pooing. Basically I'm going to show you guys my wash method, and then we're going to style my beautiful natural hair because I've missed it. Quarantine definitely taught me how to do my hair for sure. And I got so many comments under the other video that you guys were inspired to and you guys were able to braid your hair, so I'm here for it. As you guys can see, it has definitely played its role. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see. It has definitely played its role, and the thing that I'm so proud of is that not one fell off. So the entire 2 months, everything stayed on. Not even one fell off. They've definitely loosened up, obviously. I was never like afraid that, you know, I'll be doing something and someone will be like, is this your braid? Because that's the funniest part of having braids. That happened to me one time in Mexico, and a security guard brought my braids to me. It was embarrassing. So here's the back, and hopefully you guys are seeing it because it's all black, but you know, here pretty much, then lift it up. As you guys can see, the rubber bands are now showing and they are now loose. So now I'm going to go ahead and begin the takedown process. I'm gonna go for it. I'm not gonna cut it too short. I know my hair is not this long, but I think this is a safe part. That scissors is not sharp at all. Let's try this one. So obviously when you guys are taking out your box braids, you should at least gauge where your hair starts and stops. That way you don't end up cutting your own natural hair. Scissors are not sharp at all. I need a sharper scissors. Be right back. I'm back with my mother's special sewing scissors. Let's see how sharp this is. Oh, baby girl is sharp, honey. Baby girl is sharp. And I know the funny thing is, whenever we take out our braids, we always have this notion that our hair is way longer than it really is. Like, look at me really giving my hair benefit of a doubt and cutting a whole length like my hair grew this much. Oh, by the way, what I forgot to say in the braiding part is that I used 3 packs of hair for this hair. I mean, no one really asked because I guess when it comes to packs of hair, you really just make up your own mind based on your own hair. This is a vibe. This is a vibe. This is a vibe. This is a vibe. I guess I don't really need thingy-majiggy. So with a lot of people that did rubber band method braids, that they were taking and I was watching the video here on YouTube, a lot of them, apparently their rubber band just snapped off. But then, I don't think mine is gonna. I think mine is very strong because it's held to my hair. Oh, okay. I snapped it. I heard that. I personally snapped that one. Okay, my hair actually grew. Look at that. But look at that buildup though. Okay, I feel that one still there. Right here. So I'm just gonna grab it with a rat tail. Boom, it comes off. It comes off pretty easily. Like, look at that. Look at that. The buildup is crazy. I'll show it up close. So see how I'm holding it, because obviously I tend to tug on my braids when I'm taking it out because zero patience. So I just rather hold on to my roots so I don't pull hard. So that way I'm not stressing my root. So take it off like normal. And then because it's the rubber band method, obviously this was the one that you put by the root. You find the rubber band and just pull it off. And this comes off too. Oh, it's so itchy. Can't wait to wash my hair. And I did not wash this hair in the past 2 months, so I did not do any braid in wash, because sometimes when you have braids you can still wash your hair. I didn't do any of that. And the rubber band is right here. So pull it and it comes right off. Alright, so I'm done taking out everything. I think it took me, I want to say 45 minutes to an hour. I wasn't really timing it, but then I realized I should have. It definitely grew. The back, if you guys remember when I started clip here, when I was about to braid the hair, I did mention that the back was a lot shorter than the front. So it's still the case. I'm going to show you guys the back. This is the back. As you guys can see, it's still short, but it definitely also grew. Just build up and dirt everywhere. So we're going to go into the wash phase, and of course never ever ever go straight from this to shampooing your hair, because your hair will mat, it will break, it will be terrible. So the first thing to do is you want to pre-poo, then shampoo, then deep condition. So we're going to pre-poo. They do sell already made pre-poos at the store. I decided to give this African Pride aloe vera and coconut water detangle pre-poo a try. This is my first time using it. So if you're watching this and you want to do your own pre-poo but you don't have an actual pre-poo, you can always do a DIY. Use any cheap conditioner and mix it with extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil or hemp oil, and pretty much use that to detangle your hair. Let it sit, rinse it out, and then go ahead and shampoo your hair. How thick it is, this is it. It's semi thick, it's not super thick. So yep. And for people watching this that really don't know what pre-poo does for you, pre-poo pretty much cleanses and moisturizes your hair, detangles it, and helps protect your hair so that your shampoo doesn't strip it of all of its moisture. And for braids, it's gonna help break down all this gunk right here. So as you guys can see, this part that I've done, you can see it's soft again. There's some breakage that I'm going to pull out later on. Here's a close look of how the pre-poo works. So let's tackle this gunk right here. So you're going to put your pre-poo on, and it's just softening it. See how it's breaking up the gunk and the buildup, and then you're just going to use your fingers and detangle. And that's the little breakage, versus trying to do this without any pre-poo in your hair, because that's just going to cause a lot more breakage than this. Make sure it's properly moisturized, and then you detangle. And see? Look at that. I've pretty much applied pre-poo and detangled most part of my hair. I haven't really combed it, so we're gonna comb it on camera, so that way if I missed anything like these. So of course you want to start your comb from the tip, not from the root, so that way your hair does not go bye-bye. Look at that. You can section your hair out if your hair is a bit longer. My hair is not, so I'm just sort of just doing it with imaginary sections. Alright, so pretty much my hair has been detangled. It already feels soft. I can run my hands through it. And the pre-poo, I'm going to let it sit on my hair for about 20 minutes. And then I will rinse it off. And then I'm going to try to shampoo my hair in front of the camera. I've never really shampooed my hair in front of the camera. Like, literally sitting right here. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've washed off the pre-poo off my hair, and my hair is somewhat wet. So now I'm going to go ahead and shampoo it, and I'll be using my Shea Moisture Bamboo Charcoal Deep Cleansing Shampoo. And hopefully my wash is giving you guys some type of SMR, hair wash SMR, because it's giving it to me right now. Okay, so I've rinsed off the shampoo. It's still somewhat wet, not too wet. And for my deep conditioner today, I will be using the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Purification Mask with tea tree oil and willow bark extract. So basically I'm going to slap this on. You're supposed to leave it in for 30 minutes, but I'm probably going to leave it in for an hour. Run an errand, come back, and this is how thick it is. So it's pretty thick. Anyway, you're supposed to section your hair. My hair is short, so I'm just going for it. Maybe I will roughly section it. Why not? Alright, so I've successfully drenched my entire hair with this mask treatment, and I'm just going to tie it up very ratchetly with the cling wrap. I'm not going to do that on camera, but when I do want to take it off before I wash it, you guys will probably see it. But yeah, so I'm going to tie that up and just let it do its thing. I hope you guys are enjoying this process. We've literally taken out my hair, pre-pooed, shampooed, now we're conditioning, and then we're gonna style. Super fun. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few hours. Bye. So it's been 2.5 hours of deep conditioning my hair. I basically didn't end up running my errands because I was so tired, so I took a nap. But yeah, so this is pretty much how it's looking. But I basically use a cling saran wrap, you know, those plastic wraps that you wrap your to-go foods with, and I just wrap them and I let it do its thing. Sometimes I use blow dryer on it, but this time around I did not. I just let it do its own thing. So now we're going to unravel or just pull. Okay, so This is what baby's looking like right now. I go wash it up and we can style it together. I know it's been a long day of hair. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've washed off the deep conditioner and basically curled my hair using the On Jackie Curl Lala. I've used this. Let me show you guys. So I've used this in the past. However, I wasn't a huge fan of how it curls my hair and how it leaves residue. And also I found that the curls don't last super long. However, my favorite one, which I did my most popular video with, I'm going to insert the video here. You guys check it out if you guys haven't checked it out. Is the basically like the curling jelly. It's more on the gel side. That one I find holds my hair better and all the frizziness of my hair, because my hair is not all the same length obviously, so I feel like that one holds it better and it lasts longer. However, I forgot it at a friend's house. This had to do because I have a place to go to and I can't leave my hair in a fro. Well, I can, but you know. So this is pretty much it. This is just still wet. I literally just finished doing it now. I'm gonna let it air dry for a couple of hours and maybe blow dry it a little, style it, and then head out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, sis. Like, come on, join the family. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, that's about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.